In this video, we'll take a look into how Aisera Assistant can listen in on designated collaboration channels to proactively identify and triage incidents, requests, and change requests. Shown in this video is Maya, a product manager. Maya is experiencing laptop issues that are affecting her productivity, so she notifies her design team channel on Slack. The Aisera Assistant recognizes the issue and begins assisting Maya. With her permission, the Aisera Assistant retrieves and analyzes performance metrics from her device to validate the problem, creates an incident on her behalf, and enriches it with additional context. In this next example, Maya is missing the tool that she needs to perform her assigned task. The Aisera Assistant recognizes her need and submits a service request on her behalf. This speeds up time to resolution and enables Maya to get the task done, boosting her productivity. In this next example, Maya notices an issue on their mobile app and reports it to the team via Slack. The Aisera Assistant recognizes the nature of this issue and submits a change request on Maya's behalf. Aisera Assistant also categorizes the change request and routes it to the appropriate team for triage,